I've been asked a few times that after I upgrade to iOS 16, how come my Apple device doesn't reflect the latest firmware on my Apple device? Let me show you what they are looking at. So if you click on settings here and you go general and you go software update, you can see right now my iOS is version 15.7, which is not correct because I recently upgraded to iOS 16. How you can show that you're actually indeed running iOS 16? Let me show you how it is done. Click on home and open a browser. First thing I like to do is to check the system status of an Apple, and I'll leave the link or the description, the URL on my description below. Is apple.com/support/system status. It'll bring you to this web page. Click on the plus here. Everything should be available and running. So once you're confident that the Apple services are running, open another browser and search for Apple Beta Program. You'll be going to a web page called beta.apple.com. Sorry, it's beta.apple.com. This is what it looks like. And somewhere at the center here, you're going to have to either sign up or sign in. You're going to sign in with your Apple ID. I'm going to press sign in. And you're going to have to log in to your iPad here. Okay, once you're signed in, you'll be brought to this page here. And then you go somewhere at the bottom here and look for enroll your iOS device. This guy here. Click on it. And then you go somewhere at the bottom. Download profile. Then you say this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Say continue. And click on allow. Okay, download it. Close. Okay, and click done here. So we're going to close the browser here. And let's go to our settings again. And go to general. And then now you're going to look for VPN and device management. Now you'll see that you have iOS 16 recently being downloaded. If you have other older version of iOS, maybe iOS 15.5 or whatever, you need to delete that before you can proceed. Once that's done, press this guy here, install. And now you're going to have to enter your passcode to your iPad. Install again. Install. And then they said you are required to restart. This one just say not now because it's not required. And click on done. Once that's done, let's go to your general again. Go to your software update. You can see that now it's showing iOS 16 on your iPad.